Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make some cheesy pasta, for which we need pasta, of course, to be boiled beforehand in the water. We need some ham to be cut it down into several pieces, like as you see in the video. And whenever the pasta is boiled and it's nearly ready, let's add this to the ham to the pasta and continually mix it until it is cooked together. And we also need 1 cup of milk to be added to these ingredients, 1 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of black pepper, little bit of red pepper, and a little bit of black pepper. And we need also some grated cheese. You can use either cheddar or any other cheese that you think will be great for being melted down, with the pasta. Mix all of this together properly, and whenever done, you'll be ready to taste it. It is going to be absolutely very, very delicious, and you're going to enjoy it, we are sure. So go on and test it and share this recipe with your friends.